Log into your business ID and click on Recruitment Management. Then click on Career Management. Then click on Create option to create a job listing. Fill in the basic job details such as job title, company name, location, area, and PIN code. Then click on Next. Further add job type, schedule of work, number of people to hire for the role, and recruitment timeline for this posting. Then click on Next. Add minimum and maximum salary range, pay rate, key skills and specialization required by the candidate. Then click on Next. Describe your job post in detail. Then click on Next. Set up preferences required for the job. Then click on Next. Complete the process by adding details such as application end date, industry type, experience required, company images, company video, and an YouTube URL, if any, if any. Once completed, click on Submit. Click on Employer, located under Recruitment Management, to view your job listing. Here you can view the number of candidates applied and total candidates placed.